Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Mixed Media Mayhem. We have a fun recipe today, so we're going to use texture paste, which I have modeling paste, but it's the same. A stencil, so I've got this 6x6 stencil from Crafter's Workshop, which I picked up at a Cherry on Top, and it's the mini tile texture. And thread or lace. I'm going to use sewing thread. And I've lost my spatula, so I've got to find that. Here's the photo we're going to do today. It is one of Maggie and Bee. I bought them outdoor doggy pillows so they can withstand the rain and all the weather stuff. It's made of like your patio furniture vinyl material. And so they were chillaxing. I always laugh because you see the lead. It's not going to the pit bull, it's going to the roamer of roaming, the basset hound, because she likes to stray. You know, that snoot gets a whiff of something and she gone. And she doesn't listen. She, smart dog, knows what you want and refuses to give it. So, this is an older scrap room kit. I believe it is from April of 2024. So, we're under a year old. And I've used it, I believe, once or twice. So we have got some embellies here, some scraps that I've cut, sticker sheets, and this is Making the Best of It by Pink Fresh. So this is fun. We could fussy cut this out and make some shakers. Yes, we could. Oh, that's pretty. I'm going to go with that. At least cut out a few of them. And then we can use the other side. And then we have this gorgeous paper. And that paper. Not a big fan of that one. What if I don't like the green against that? It's on the other side. What if we do? Don't like that either. Best option is this. Yep. But I really like that. But we're gonna sacrifice it and go this way because we are doing. Oh, you know what? Let's go this way because we've got texture paste in the stencil and I got white texture paste, so it's going to show up way better on this. And then we'll fussy cut out some of those and we'll use this portion up here to map my photo. Alright, I now have homework. I also still have 2 pieces of white cardstock. We're just going to go ahead and put that over in the stash. Alright, and then I have these guys. Well, actually, I can map my photo in that. I'll have to figure something out for that strip. So, we may not be using those. That's alright. Let's see if I can find some flare. To go. Oh, I know we got some. It's just about finding them. Those 3 would work. Actually, these 3 would probably work better. Those 3. Let's do those 3. And maybe only 2. Ooh. So I'm going to do this Summer Memories, this camera, and this guy. I think that's what we're going to go with. Hey, yeah. And I think that looks like there could be a title in the embellishment. So let me go ahead and get this all trimmed up, and I will be right back to do the mixed media. All right, so I've got these stuck down. I've cut the rest of them out, and I'm going to make those into pockets that are going to sit there. But we gotta do the mixed media, and quite frankly, I forgot. I was like all into like, I really like the way that this layout's looking, and here we are. So I am just going to do mixed media. I'm going to do it right over these little fussy cut pieces, right? So we get a little bit over there. We're just going to keep coming in and getting this on here. So this is thick. I think it's drying out, to be honest with you. But that's okay. So now we've got that one. And then let's get a little bit more. I'm not really trying to get a whole bunch. Just enough to basically seal it up. Pull that off of there. And we're going to drop that a bit lower. So now we've got that there. I don't want it on the white, so I'm just going to go ahead and wipe that little bit off. But now it gives just a little bit of something. And I was thinking we might be able to go there. I'm going to let that dry and then fill in these 4 spots. But the thing that it's making me go, maybe I shouldn't, is these guys are going to sit there. But I think they need to sit on top of it. So over, under, we'll figure that out. So I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to clean up the stencil, and we'll be right back. I used an older collection of Spiegel Mom Scrap Sequins called Vintage Hearts. 3 scoops each of this and 2 scoops of each of these. These are shaker gems that Close to My Heart offered. I couldn't even tell you when. But they came in handy. Those back in there. These are not glued down. I went ahead and put a little bit of texture behind that. And I'm going to go ahead and do both liquid and dry adhesive. I'm just going to get that stuck down on there. Make sure that it sticks. I just created, you know, shaker pockets. If you want to see how shaker pockets are created, just let me know. I tend to not do them on screen because I think there's a lot of tutorials on shaker pockets. So, I just add a little something. I'm making sure that I've got lines in my background. I'm just trying to keep those going the right way, and I'm not trying to line them up, as you can see. Normally I don't use this much adhesive, but I feel like these guys are pretty thick going on top of texture because there's some texture paste down there. So all right, and then I do have these frames still left. Well, no, not first. let's see what's in this bag. While that kind of dries. I don't need that. This is, says fill the world, it's your day to smile. There's no one quite like you, so I'm gonna go ahead and fussy cut that out. I might be able to fill the world. I think I'm gonna fussy cut those 4 out and see what we can do with those. Grow in Love. I think we'll just use as our title up here. I know you can't see that. All you need is flowers, do everything in love. I will be able to get all of those used and bits of these. So let me go ahead and fussy cut these because they're going to kind of be the base of our clusters. So like this guy. Now because this is all going on top of texture paste, I'm going to add liquid adhesive. And we're going to stick this guy right here so that the Grow in Love will sit on top of that. Put a little butterfly. I'm going to try to use as much of this stuff as possible. All right. So let me go ahead and fussy cut that stuff out, put them in the clusters where I might want them, and we'll be right back. All right, so I got the thread on. I went ahead and created the areas. Now looking to see what else we can get on there. So we've got this little area here with the floral and 2 colors of yellow thread because one of them I knew wasn't going to make it. It only actually did a few tugs because I do 3 tugs. So yeah, whoop. Finishing stuff left and right. So we are just going to pop. Oh, let's just put this one right here. It says enjoy it. And having fun. I feel like that needs to go right there. So I am decorating, just giving everything a little bit of something, something. So good. Let's put so good right here. And then as you can see, shake, shake, shake. Got over here, we've got small joys, fill the world. All you need is flowers, good feelings. Then a little leafy bit coming off of that. Grow in Love. Nothing else really up there. I'm going to bring in some of these close to my heart glitter gems. I wish they would have came in 3 sizes. I'm just saying. So it's my wish. And we're going to put them in each of my little clusters. And then up here we've got these moments make my heart smile. And enjoy it. And then the summer memories up there. So we've got that. And I think that's going to do it. So I did get all 3 things on from the recipe. I've got the texture paste through the stencil. And then the thread or lace, I went with sewing thread. But I do want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. And I will see you later with another video. Don't forget to check everyone else out that is playing along. And if you would like to see more mixed media and all kinds of fun stuff, I do have a membership channel, portion to my channel. Feel free to join that. Check out all the videos. There's a new one once a week, sometimes more depending on time. But I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.